Imperialism, the practice of extending a nation's authority and influence over other territories through colonization, conquest, or economic dominance, has been a driving force in shaping global geopolitics for centuries. Rooted in notions of power, prestige, and economic gain, imperialism often reflects hegemonic ambitions, the desire to establish and maintain dominance over rival powers and regions. Join us to explore the concepts of imperialism and hegemonic ambitions, drawing on historical examples and contemporary manifestations to elucidate their enduring impact on world affairs. The history of imperialism is replete with examples of powerful empires seeking to expand their territories and influence. Ancient empires like Rome, Persia, and China employed military conquest, trade networks, and cultural assimilation to assert dominance over vast swaths of land and peoples. The European age of exploration, beginning in the 15th century, witnessed the rise of colonial empires as European powers such as Spain, Portugal, England, France, and the Netherlands established colonies in Africa, Asia, and the Americas, exploiting resources and exploiting local populations. The height of European imperialism in the 19th and early 20th centuries saw the carving up of Africa through the Berlin Conference, the colonization of India by the British East India Company, and the establishment of spheres of influence in China through the Opium Wars. Imperial powers justified their expansionist ambitions through ideologies of racial superiority, civilizing missions, and the pursuit of economic profit, often at the expense of indigenous peoples and cultures. For a quick recap on history, the Berlin Conference, also known as the Congo Conference, was a meeting held from November 1884 to February 1885 in Berlin, Germany. It was convened by the Chancellor of the German Empire, Otto von Bismarck, and attended by representatives of major European powers, including Britain, France, Germany, Portugal, Italy, Belgium, Spain, and the United States. The primary purpose of the conference was to regulate and formalize European colonial interests in Africa, particularly in the Congo Basin region. During the late 19th century, European powers were engaged in a scramble for colonial territories in Africa, driven by economic interests, strategic considerations, and competition for resources. Key outcomes of the Berlin Conference included recognition of territorial claims, the principle of free trade, division of Africa, and humanitarian concerns. However, it is important to recognize that these provisions were often overshadowed by the economic and strategic interests of colonial powers, and that meant, quote, anything goes, including the suppression of the slave trade. The Berlin Conference had profound and lasting consequences for Africa, as it facilitated the rapid colonization and exploitation of the continent by European powers. The arbitrary division of African territories, imposition of colonial rule, and exploitation of natural resources had devastating effects on African societies, leading to the loss of land, independence, and sovereignty, as well as widespread human suffering and exploitation. The legacy of the Berlin Conference continues to shape the socio-political and economic dynamics of Africa to this day, contributing to challenges such as ethnic conflicts, underdevelopment, and political instability. While formal colonialism has largely receded, contemporary imperialism and hegemonic ambitions persist in various forms, driven by economic, geopolitical, and ideological motives. Examples include the geopolitical competition between the United States, China, and Russia for influence in regions like the Middle East, Africa, and the Asia-Pacific, as well as economic imperialism through multinational corporations and financial institutions. The United States, As the world's preeminent superpower, has pursued hegemonic ambitions through interventions in countries like Iraq, Afghanistan, and Libya under the guise of promoting democracy, stability, and security. China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, exemplifies its imperial aspirations, seeking to establish economic corridors and strategic footholds across Asia, Africa, and Europe through infrastructure development and investment, while Russia's annexation of Crimea and interventions in Eastern Europe assert its regional hegemony. Imperialism and hegemonic ambitions have profound implications for global peace, stability, and prosperity. While imperial powers may benefit from expanded territories, access to resources, and geopolitical leverage, their actions often engender resistance, conflict, and human suffering. Colonial legacies of exploitation, oppression, and cultural erasure continue to reverberate in post-colonial societies, fueling social unrest, identity politics, and nationalist movements. Moreover, the pursuit of hegemony by dominant powers can undermine international norms, institutions, and cooperation, fostering a zero-sum mentality and exacerbating tensions between competing blocs. The rise of populist leaders, nationalist movements, and revisionist powers further complicates efforts to build consensus and address global challenges such as climate change, pandemics, and nuclear proliferation. Imperialism and hegemonic ambitions represent enduring features of the global political landscape, shaped by historical legacies, geopolitical rivalries, and ideological contestations. From ancient empires to modern superpowers, the quest for dominance over land, resources, and peoples has shaped the course of human history, leaving a legacy of conquest, exploitation, and resistance in its wake. By critically examining the historical precedents, contemporary dynamics, and ethical implications of imperialism and hegemonic ambitions, we can strive to build a more just, equitable, and peaceful world order that respects the sovereignty, dignity, and rights of all nations and peoples.